So four important points which I have highlighted. Each and everybody, we always, each and every moment, they are within the environment. It may be living, non-living. Diverse characteristic is there, and it is the dynamic, not static. Next one. What is health? Generally thinks that is the physical health, but mental health is a very important thing. Without psyche, there are so many problems. All these are psychosocial, psychophysical. That's why what we want to say, that is health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. What is this? That is the physical. If I feel pain, I generally people go to doctor and to get rid of the problem, and also take medicine, and 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, or for 1 month. After that, he or she is in a good state. But psychological problem, it is very difficult to see. It is within. So somebody want to tell something, or somebody do not want to tell something. Because keep in mind, and also this health, mainly health not only depends on physical, but also psychological. That is not open. That is those who are schizophrenic patient or any type of patient, that is they are also doing some wrong work. Then it is accepted and they go to a psychiatrist. But sometimes it has, that is, they are not. It is very difficult to understand. He or she is not telling something that is within himself. That is he or she is facing. So the mental problem. We have to find out what is going on within the mindset. And each and everybody, we belong to any type of social setting. It may be school environment, it may be college, it may be club, it may be any playground or anywhere. Within the social, without social, each and everybody is a social human being, either the community they are. So, health, a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. So, we have to keep in mind physical and psyche simultaneously going, and we are belong to any type of social setting. There is no health without mental health. It is very difficult. Only that without mental health, there is no health. If you psychologically were mentally upset, then your physique will not, you are not healthy physically. Both physical and psychological simultaneously work together. Healthier lifestyles and good health status are both associated with higher level of well. We want to stay, we want to live healthy in a healthy setting. So our healthier lifestyle and good health status, these two are associated. For what? Main reason is high level of well-being, higher level of well-being. We want to stay in a both physically and mentally healthy. So it is, suppose generally human being thought that health only means physical health. No, mental health is more important. That is equally important, both physical and mental health. And as we belong to any type of society, so social well-being is also an important factor in this context. Now, what is well-being? Three important highlights which I have mentioned: health, environment, and well-being. What is well-being? Well-being integrates mental health mind and physical health body, resulting in more holistic approaches to disease prevention and health promotion. Well-being is important to health, and health is important to well-being. Each and everybody. One thing is that if you are mentally unhealthy, then it is not possible to keep your physical health better. Or if you are not physically healthy, your mental health will not be in that good position. So, well-being integrates. That is the integration between these two: mental health mind and also physical health body. That is a holistic approach which can prevent disease and prevent and health problems. It is very, very, very difficult to get rid of the following if mental health is not good at all or physical health is not good at all. So well-being is a combination of these two. That is the integration, mental health and physical health. Well-being is important to health, And health is important to everyone. But unfortunately, in this present situation, so many factors are going on, and research is still now in the process. That is the I'm considering the COVID-19. But some general word which we can say, that is for well-being, both are important. Important to health and also health important to well. So three important highlight, highlighted points which I have mentioned. One is environment. Without environment, it is not possible to stay. Without health, it is not possible to live. And also for well-being, it is very difficult, not only considering the only for the mental health or the physical health. Now, what is physical health? Physical health is the functioning of the body. It is easy to measure, a state of sound body and mind. Suppose temperature, you have thermometer. If there is any pressure problem, you have pressure machine or anything. It is the whole body is function. Physical health is the functioning of the body, and it is easy to measure without with the instrument. It is state of body, mind, sound body and mind. Next one is components of physical health. What are the components? Physical activity, nutrition and diet, alcohol and drug, medical self-care, rest and sleep. So many different type of activities human beings are doing. Children are playing within the ground or outside the ground. Male and female, considering the gender. Somebody is working in the office, somebody factory, or any type of work they are doing. Cook, cleaning, different type of works people are doing. That is the physical activity, and it is one part of the component of physical health. If I am healthy, if I am able to do something, it is easy. But if I am not physically healthy, it is very difficult to do for myself. And also nutrition and diet. Somebody are vegetarian, somebody are not. They are not taking non-veg individual. So nutrition and diet, that is also an important factor to keep myself physically healthy. So it is also another important point, another component, nutrition and diet. Next one, alcohol and drugs. What has happened? Some people are taking drugs, and also that is if he or she is suffering from any type of physical problem, they have to take. But alcohol consumption, there are so many individuals, they are also taking without necessity, but that is the habit. They are doing that each and every day. So that is another, and ultimately he or she is suffering from any type of different type of problem. So that is another important component of physical health. Medical self-care. Each and every individual do not go to the doctor. They also take some medicine within the. Now, in this situation, vaccine, Covishield and other so many vaccines, first dose and second dose, and after that another. This is after 2020, after 19th March 2020 problem. Before that, pressure, sugar, any type, different type of. So medical care is also one of the important factor that is also component of physical health. And each and everybody is doing different type of them. So there need rest and also sleep, because people feel so tired and they need sleep, and it is required for betterment. Without sleep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, is it possible? So it is not possible. So rest and sleep. I feel so tired. Somebody is telling that I feel so tired. I am unable to do it. So many activities he or she is doing, and after that, if he or she feels tired, and for that reason, rest is required and also sleep is required. Next one, our ears are normally here, no problem. Which are, if it is in the offline, mic is there, and people are telling different types of Bengali, English, Hindi, or any type of language they can use, and it is easy to hear. If it is easy to hear, so it is in good physical health. If it is difficult to hear, so there must be some problem within your physics. Our eyes have normal vision. That is also under point good physical health. But if there is problem, it is very difficult to read, or it is very difficult to write, or it is very difficult to see. So there must be some problem, vision problem. So that is not under the good physical health. Good physical health indicates our eyes have normal vision. Our legs can walk, jump, and run. Somebody walks slow fast, but if it is if it is if it is in condition walk, jump, or run anything, if I am able to do it, if you can able to do it, so our legs can do it all day, then you are under good physical health. With any type of problem, so that is not accepted under good physical health. Last point, most important, perform many other normal activities without problem. Individual, if it infancy, child, adolescent, adult, middle age, and old age, anytime, you have to do something, and you have to do some normal activities without any problem. If I am able to do, if you are able to do, then you are under good physical health. So good physical health mainly indicates four important points. Our ears can normally hear, our eyes have normal vision, our legs can walk, jump, and run, and also perform many other activities without problem. Without it, it is easy to do. Why physical wellness is important? Why I am considering the physical wellness is important? Physical wellness encourages us to care for our bodies through physical health, proper nutrition, and a strong mind. So one thing, last point is a strong mind. If I am physically well, then mentally I am also well. Because if there is any problem, physical problem, so it is very difficult to accept mentally. So physical wellness encourages us to care for our bodies. I am able to do it. Why it is not? That is the, if you suffer from any type of physical problem, so you have to do something. You have to go to doctors or anybody, anyhow, say the homeopathic, allopathic, or any type of measures you can take. That is your consideration. But one thing is that physical wellness encourages us to care for our bodies through physical health, and also proper nutrition is required. After COVID-19, so many foods, doctors and others, researchers, and so many different types of medicines and different types of food. Before that, it was not considered. But generally, proper nutrition is required to keep myself healthy, both physically and also mentally. So, strong mind will be done if I am physically well. If wellness is important, wellness is undoubtedly important thing. So, my mindset is very good. Without this, it is not possible to accept. But there are so many health complications. In spite of that, people are doing everything. But there are some situations, not only from the environment, but not only from the environment, that is the mindset. But from environment, also from mindset, there are so many complications. That is the health complications, heart disease, high blood pressure, weakened immune system, asthma, obesity, gastrointestinal problem. One thing is that if you are not mentally healthy, you are also physically unhealthy. So different types of healthy. Recently, it is now the situation is mental acceptance is not in this considering after COVID-19, but before that, stent and also different types of heart problem we have heard. So there must be some reason behind this mental. There are different types of complications is there within the family or outside family or in the office setting or in any type of setting. So it creates some problem, not only physically, but also mentally. And ultimately, there is a correlation between these two. So health complication are heart disease, high blood pressure, weakened immune system, asthma, obesity. There are some medicines which create some problem also, and gastrointestinal problem. So these are the health complications. There are so many people who are suffered from chronic physical illness. Chronic physical illness is an enduring health problem that will not go away. For example, diabetes, asthma, arthritis, cancer. Mainly, there are four important things. That is the diabetes, and it's going on. Medicine taking, and I have to accept it. That is the thing. Asthma is also like that. Arthritis is also like that, and also cancer. So these physical illness is mainly considered as chronic physical illness, and it sometimes mainly due to age. After 60, somebody before that they also face some problem. But one thing is that during after the old day, after the age 60, they are facing so different types of problem. And also that not only physical problem, there is also some uh, previously he or she is able to do lots of things. Now they are not doing that. So mentally he or she is not happy. So physical illness, there is a correlation between these two, physical illness and also the mental. Chronic physical illness can be managed, but they cannot be cured. There are so many things managed, just adjustable and going on. I have to accept it. So they cannot be cured. People who live with chronic physical illness have a greater risk of developing anxiety and depression. Just now I am telling that physical illness sometimes create mental problem. That is the it is very difficult to get rid of the problem. Suppose diabetes or asthma or arthritis or cancer. So mentally they are not happy. They are not getting. They are not accepting. So anxiety, risk of developing anxiety and also depression. This is the chronic physical illness. Now I'm going back mainly because of another few slides which are just considering all this. Repetition is required. For that reason, I'm telling about after well-being. Just a minute. Just a minute. Physical health. We have to keep in mind what is physical health, because I'm telling about environment, health, and well-being. So I have to consider the what is physical health. After that, what are the components of physical health? Just I'm repeating. Physical activity, nutrition, diet, and alcohol, rest, sleep, all these are components of physical health. Then, what are the criteria for good physical health? There are so many criteria, but four things I have mentioned which are very important. Next one, why physical wellness is important to us? Because proper nutrition, strong mind, and physical wellness is encouraged. Wellness encourages to care for our bodies, physical health, proper nutrition, and strong mind. Next one is health complications. There are so many different types of health conditions in each and every house. So somebody is accepted, somebody is partly accepted, somebody are not accepted. Those who are not accepted, physical problems, mentally they are not happy. And so physical complications is more and more. So we have to consider what are the complications, main complications. So many complications are there, but these are the common thing for all. Now, there are some chronic physical illness, that is the diabetes, asthma, arthritis, and cancer. And this can be managed but not cured properly. Considering all this, anxiety is developing, depression is, they also suffer from depression. Now, factors vis-a-vis healthy and unhealthy. What are the factors? What are the important factors? Side by side, healthy and unhealthy. Income and social status. Somebody there are so many families that those whose income level is 5,000, within 5,000 family income. Now at 25,000 to 30,000, within 50,000, and in somebody lakh, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, or 3 lakh. So status depends accordingly, income and social status. Low socioeconomic condition, middle, upper. But one thing is that these variations, each and everybody unable, sometimes there are so many individuals they are unable to accept, and they are staying in a particular, but their thinking style is particular one. They are not considering those who are staying at footpath or street, that is pavement dwellers. Somebody is staying at slum area. Their culture, their economic condition, their way of talking differs from those who are staying in high socioeconomic group. They are staying in high-rise building with AC room, and so many equipments are there, so many instruments are there. So there is social status quite different from previous one, which I am telling. That is income and social status. That is one factor vis-a-vis healthy and unhealthy. Next one, education and literacy. That is also important. Graduation, post-graduation, just able to write only thumb signature. So education and literacy is also another important factor. Just I'm giving you one example. Those who are staying at rural area, they are taking different types of vegetables and fishes. And those who are staying at a high-rise building and high socioeconomic, they are taking different types of food. Education and literacy, that is each and every place, it is there. But you have to consider, you have to know different setting, and accordingly, you give some suggestions to those who are suffering from problems. So, insight is an important factor considering all this. Healthy and unhealthy. Education is required. That is not the degree. Education is not the degree. That is within yourself. Learning to be, learning to know, learning to do. All these things are very important, and also literacy. Employment and working condition. This is not same to each and every body. Somebody is working in a factory, somebody is working in an office may be of different types, factory may be of different types, working conditions vary. So, healthy and unhealthy conditions vis-a-vis, these are the another factor. Physical environment. A room is 10 by 10. Just a minute. Big room, AC room, so many things are there. So, physical environment is not same. So that is also creates some problem. Sometimes it is accepted mentally and physically. Sometimes it is not accepted by mentally and physically. So some healthy or unhealthy relationship is also there. That is physical environment creates some. There are so many individuals who need AC, and there are so many individuals they do not need AC. They are staying there. So physical environment varies from one situation to another situation. Sometimes those who taking some food, that is taking food, that is not equal. Considering the socio-economic condition, considering the status, considering the economic level, considering the culture. So factors, different types of factors include healthy and unhealthy. Somebody is vegetarian, somebody is non-vegetarian, somebody is doing on I know one person who is, just I'm not telling the name, he is the senior one and also psychologist. He prefers fruits, and here his acceptance mainly based on fruits. Otherwise, main food is food, and main food is fruit. But there must be some reason behind this. Either doctor's suggestions, or that I don't know exactly, or his or her mental acceptance, and he is healthy. He is healthy. But it varies from situation to situation, time to time, environment to the culture to culture, and all the social status and everything. So physical environment and also the social environment, it varies from one situation to another situation, and we belong to any type of environment. It may be accepted, it may be rejected, it may be partially accepted, but we part and parcel of the environment. We have to do something for betterment. That is from our choice. Considering the choice, considering the other's opinion, considering the overall picture. So as we belong to physical and social environment, so that is an important factor related to healthy and unhealthy. Healthcare services. That is also another important thing. And this service is required. Social support network. Now, just before COVID, now students are always using phone. Children are using phone. Each and every moment, they use any type of. There are Instagram and so many things they are doing. But one thing we have to consider: after few years, what will happen? Because eye contact, yeah, that that should undoubtedly they will face some problem later on, mainly because of continuous each and everything is doing, but there is no alternative. Situation is like that. We have to consider the healthcare service considering all this. Social support is also required. Without social support, as we are the part and parcel of the society, each and everybody, not considering the degree, student, teacher, officer, manager, all we each and everybody belong to any type of society. So social support is one of the important thing, which is a network and also coping skill. We have to cope up. Just now I am telling about the about mobile phone and also computer. Children are doing, children, adolescent, and we also. So this we have to accept and support. Social support network should improve and should do something those who are suffering from the problem, so that network is required. And also we have to cope up considering all these, because factors related to healthy and unhealthy, which one is, which we have to do, which we have do not do, because to get rid of the problem, medicine, mental acceptance, not physically. Psychosocial factors is an important. Psychosocial and psychophysical. We have to consider all this for betterment. Next one. Mainly, up to this slide, physical. I am just telling, considering the physical health. Now I am going to mental health, which is most important. This is also important. It is also important. Mental health is the level of psychological well-being or absence of mental illness. I am mentally healthy. I am psychologically healthy. Somebody do not want to tell something to others, but somebody is sharing. Those who are sharing, those who want to get rid of the problem, they are free to tell something. But there are some individuals who are not telling their problem. And within himself, within herself, they are facing problem, and ultimately that will go very critical stage. And then we require psychiatry. There is a difference between psychiatrist and psychologist. Psychiatrist, the doctors who treat mental patient with medicine, and there are some psychologists. And professionally, my specialization, although in organization environmental psychology, but I have done counseling in different phases. One thing is that counseling is required. There are some individuals who need medicine and side by side counseling. There are some individuals who do not need medicine, but counseling is required. So, if we want to keep our keep mentally healthy, so that is the mental health is the level of psychological well-being or the absence of mental illness. That is main straight line is there. It is the psychological state of someone who is functioning a satisfactory level of emotional and behavioral adjustment. One thing is that we have to adjust. Behavioral adjustment is required. How can I get? How can I receive all the things good or good and which I have to accept? Some bad things, some poor things, that some unfortunate things may or may not come. So we have to accept all these things, and after that, acceptance accordingly have to take some step to get rid of the problem. That is the we want to go a satisfactory level. That is the level of the emotional and behavioral. In some situations, something we have to accept, that is not mentally I am unable to accept it, but we have to accept considering the situation. Then we analyze it and see what type of problem is there. How can I get rid of the problem? What I have to do? That is the thinking process. That is the psychological step. To get rid of the problem, the function is that to go to the satisfactory level. So mental health is that it is one of the psychological state of someone each and everybody have that, who is functioning at a satisfactory level of emotional and behavioral adjustment. That is the mental health. Three highlighted points which I want to say, that is important point. It affects how we think, feel and act. Our thinking process, our feeling and also our action. So mental health affects our thinking process, our feeling, also our action. Don't consider physical health always. Please consider mental health. Otherwise, it is very difficult to stay healthy. Not only physically healthy, but also mentally healthy. It also helps to determine how we handle stress, relate to others, and make choices. Stress is the part and parcel of life. Sometimes some things are very stressful, some things are moderate, something just nominal. So we have to handle the stress. If we want to go, if students are within the, for exam, some students are very much aware within the time I have to reach, and some students are just I will get the bus and I will go there. Some students are very stressful condition for that particular time. Just for an example, I am telling you, and they are sometimes they are not stressful. It varies from individual to individual, but we have to handle the stress to keep mentally healthy. So it also helps to determine how we handle the stress, relate to others, not only myself, because there are individuals and we belong to society. We belong to each and every corner of the society. So we have the relationship with others, and accordingly make choices. Choice, and that is there are 2, 3 or 5 things within you. So you have to choose number 3, or you have to choose number 5, or you have to choose one. Which one? The choice is a very important thing. Mental health is a direct impact on physical health. Just previously, I am telling, if you want to stay healthy, you have to consider both physical health and also mental health. So it has a direct impact on if you are not mentally healthy. So it should create some problem within yourself. Then you are under pressure and also your physical health is not good at all. So yeah, you have to face physically unhealthy. So mental health is the most important thing. Don't consider this situation. Mental health, now we have to highlight it. After COVID, so people are facing so many problems, but we want to stay considering the previous one little bit better than that, and we have to overcome the problem. Mentally, we think, feel and act, and also to do something to handle the stress and relate to others and make choices so that we can stay mentally healthy, and it mainly creates impact on physical health. Next one, World Health Organization. World Health Organization, a definition long days back. Now I have seen so many definitions, so many points from not only from World Health Organization, but also others. But from the beginning, not to consider the COVID-19 case previously, that is, the mental health includes subjective well-being, perceived self-efficacy, autonomy, competence, intergenerational dependence, and self-actualization of one's intellectual and emotional potential, among others. A long sentence, but keep in mind, long days back, mental health, World Health Organization gave a definition, subjective well-being. So, this is the most important thing, well-being. Previously, I told you about the well-being. Well-being is combination of these two, mental health being and physical health body. So, simultaneously well-being, this is a subjective well-being. Next one, perceived self-efficacy. I am able to do it. There are so many hazards, so many problems each and everybody have to face. But self-efficacy is the most important thing which we have to perceive it properly. I am able to do it. That confidence should be. Next one, autonomy. Only always we depend on others. That is not the good. Autonomy is the most important thing. Sometimes we have to take help and support from others, but autonomy, that important term, we have to consider so that I am able to do it. That mindset is in the mindset. Competent. I'm competent enough. am able to do. Next one, intergenerational dependence. That is, there is one generation to another generation, there is a gap. But we have to see, we have to take something from there and considering modification, considering change. But don't neglect them. Intergenerational dependence is also an important thing. And self-actualization of one's intellectual and emotional potential among others. Each and everybody have their intellectual potential and also emotional potential is there. So self-actualization, that is the each and everybody has basic need, safety need, social need, and ultimate one thing is that self-actualization. That is the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stages is there. So intellectual and emotional potential from others and considering the self-actualization. So few important points. World Health Organization. World Health Organization, which includes the mental health, subjective well, perceived self-efficacy, autonomy, competence, intergenerational dependence, self-actualization of one's intellectual and emotional potential among others. So this is the most important slide considering the mental health. Next one. What are the factors which affect mental health? What are the important factors? Number one, hereditary factors. Gene, most important term. Some at the young age, they are not, majority are not accepted. But after few days, few years, factors is a gene. Without this, we have to considering the in connection with the mental health, and that is also that affects this factor. Psychological factors, undoubtedly. Previously, I told you that there are so many factors, not only physical but also psychological factors is there. So that is also an important point considering the factors affecting the mental health. Socio-cultural factors, culture varies from one stage to another. So socio-economic condition, cultural condition, that varies in different within country and also abroad. That is another country. So cultural difference is there. War and violence is also important factor. That affects the mental health. If somebody sees the very unfortunate things, any violence, so that creates some problem negatively on mental health. So physically he or she will he will suffer, he or she is suffering from physical problem or mental problem. Prejudice and discrimination, that is also one important factor which affects the mental health. Economic and employment problem. In this situation, considering the existing condition, I am telling you so many things. I think we have got from newspaper or channels, any channels. There are so many students who are not studying, doing something to earn something for the family. And so economic problem and employment problem is also an important factor. And doing very unfortunate happenings, they commit suicide or any negative thing, to get rid of the problem. They are thinking that they are the psychological problem. So economic and employment problem is also an important factor which affect mental health. So there are 6 points which I have highlighted. Another factor also there. The highlighted point is that hereditary factors, psychological factors, sociocultural factors, war violence, prejudice, discrimination, economic and employment problem. Now, just I'm telling about the factors affecting. Now, next one. What one can do for good mental health? Undoubtedly, it is required. So, good mental health is required for each and everybody. What one can do? Build confidence. I'm able to do it. If you lose the confidence, then you are unable to do it because you will go back. And then, if you want to do, I should do it, I will do it. This confidence level creates some important point to get rid of the so many mental problems, and also you are able to do something for betterment and good mental health for good mental health. Accept compliments. It's very good. You have done it properly. So compliment is there. You accept it. But don't be proud you accept it and do something for the next. That is the accept compliments also give you something for to keep a good mental health. So this is another important fact. Next, make time for family and friends within yourself. If you are thinking many things within yourself, don't tell something. That is not the good thing. You have to you have to talk something with the family and friends. Make time, give some time to for them. Somebody, there are so many individuals of different times. That is the difference. Personality varies from one individual to another individual. But one thing is that family and friends, in both cases, you have to give some time for them. Not only friends, but also family members. Not only family members only friends you declare. Otherwise, everything is not possible to share everything to the family members. Something we have to share with the friends. So give some time for family and friends. Accept, give and accept support. Somebody is giving you something for positive thing. Somebody tell you something regarding negative, but why he or she is telling about negative thing? I have to consider that, and ultimate my goal is to support and go to positive. So support is one important thing. You have to do something for good mental health and give something and accept support to them. Then he or she will get rid of the problem as early as possible. That should be. Manage stress. Stress is the part and parcel of life, but we have to manage. If we consider everything negatively, if we accept all that language negatively, so it is not possible. You have to accept negative. But one thing I am just telling you for mathematical calculation, plus is equal to plus minus is equal to minus plus is equal to minus, but minus is equal to plus. Now there are two negative. That is the plain and simple mathematics. Plus, it's okay. Plus minus plus minus, that is plus. Some negative things will give you something positive. So you have to consider all these things. For good mental health, you have to consider 5 important points: build confidence, accept compliments, make time for family and friends, give and accept support, and also manage stress. Now, life circumstances. There are so many things. So many things is there. It includes health, education, work, social relationship, built and natural environment, security, engagement, housing, and work-life balance. Without this, it is not possible to live. So, each and every moment, each and every step, and considering the age and gender, all these we have to consider. And life circumstances are include so many factors. Health, that is both physical and mental health. Education, that is basic education, not only degree but also different types of education. Work, it varies from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so many things, different types of work. Social relationship, it is also the part and parcel of life circumstances. Built and natural environment, seaside, riverside, natural environment is there, and built up environment is building. That is from the plain and simple house, first floor, second floor, third floor, and high rise also building, and also the office setting, any hospital setting, that is the built up environment, hospital setting, office setting, industry, and all these things. And natural environment is there. Each and every moment, either each and every individual, built a natural environment they have to consider. Next, security. Security is required. Without security, it is not possible to run the life smoothly. So security is required. That is also the under life circumstances. Engagement is there, housing, and work-life balance. Suppose this training, this classes is for 3 days. So just considering all these things, because now it is in the online. If it is in the offline, I have to go there and say something. If you are in the school, college, or university or anything, We have to go there, do something. So balance is there, online and offline, whatever it may be. We have to keep a balance. So life circumstances varies from situation to situation, and it includes all these important factors which we have to consider. This is the part and parcel of our life. Next one. Factors that influence well-being. Well-being integrates mental health and physical health. What are the important factors which influence well-being? Influence, that is the influencing factor. Number one, nutritional diet. That is important. That is, it varies from a few years back to now. Diet habit changes, but one thing is that nutritional diet is required for healthy living, not only for physical, but also for mental, everything for well-being. Nutritional diet is required. Regular exercise. Somebody is doing nothing, only phone, only laptop, no physical work, nothing, just in the sofa or chair or cot, anywhere, any room. But it is not healthy. Exercise is required. They are going to gym and they are going to other places. If it is not possible, not work any place, they are sometimes they are going to gym and any places to for physical regular exercise. Sufficient sleep. Only 2 or 3 hours, not only that, but it varies from individual to individual and age to age. But one thing is that sleep is required because you need rest and do something for the next day. So sufficient sleep is required. Just a minute. Acha. Fun, hobbies and leisure pursuit. Fun, hobbies and leisure pursuit. With the, only one thing is that academic, official, without fun, without without leisure, it is not possible to do something to keep well-being. That is also required. Recreation is required. People are going for 2 or 3 days any seaside or any hill area, or 7 days or 15 days, or going out. That is for leisure. Sometimes somebody is going to park or any other places. Somebody is doing something, that is the hobby is there. So it is also required for well-being. Spiritual and religious belief. Now, after COVID-19, it has increased. But before that, they are not doing that. But spiritual dedication and religious belief is also required for betterment to keep mentally healthy as well as physically healthy. Healthy self-esteem. What I am doing, what you are doing, different types of activities. So, but self-esteem, that is from basic need, social need, safety need, actualization, and then self-esteem. That is for betterment and that is for well-being. Optimistic outlook. Negative will come. For mathematical calculation, just now I am telling, negative will come, but you have to do something for positive. So optimistic, positive or betterment outlook is required. Optimistic, I have to do, I am doing, I should do it. I should do it. That is that realistic and achievable goals. And don't consider unrealistic goal, realistic goal, which is possible and also achieve. That is also one of the important factor for well-being, to influence the well-being. Sense of purpose and meaning. Each and everything, there must be some reason behind this, and also some meaning is there. So these are the factors, important factors that influence the well-being. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it happens sometimes. Sometimes it is all these are accepted. That is not. Partly accepted, partly rejected. But one thing you have to keep in your mind, these are the things for to influence the will. So these are the important things. That does not mean that each and every moment you have to consider all this time. No, it varies from time to time, situation to situation. But for well-being, you have to keep in mind these are the important factors. Next one, happiness. Happiness. Happiness is the mental and emotional state of well-being defined by positive or pleasant emotion ranging from contentment to intense joy. I want to be happy. I need in a joyful situation. So how can it be possible? So happiness is the mental emotional state for well-being, defined by positive or pleasant emotion. Be positive, and that should be pleasant, not unpleasant. That should not be negative. That is, I want to do something which give me pleasures, which is positive for me, and for betterment, and to need myself keep myself physically and mentally healthy. That depends on the happiness, and happiness is required each for each and every one. Next one. How to be happier? How can it be possible? Manage stress level. Previously told, stress is the part and parcel of life. So we have to manage it. There are so many problems. Not only these 2 years, but also previous. These two are more problematic than previous one. But problem is the part and parcel of life. And also we have to face it. We have to face the stress. We have to manage the stress. One patient, family or any from here, go to hospital. If it is a minor problem, then it is okay as early as possible. And if it is not minor, major problem, admission, treatment, operation, and so many things. And others people, family members are stressful condition. And after this, when recovery by result is good coming, then your stress level is reduced. Previous exam is there. If you are not up to the mark, not getting the what you expected, your mark is not there, little bit low. Then you are suffering from stress. Why it is? What are the reasons behind this? Then you change your study habit or do something that your stress level, you are able to reduce your stress level. You have to do it to be happier. So next one, use humor and enjoy. Humor is required, and for that reason you are able to enjoy it. Boost up self-esteem. I told you previously that basic need, hunger, trust, sex, safety need, social need, actualization, and ultimately self-esteem. What I want to do, and I am able to do, confidence, increase the confidence level, manage the stress level, and you have to boost up the self-esteem. Then maintain healthy lifestyle. You may ask me, is it possible? Always no. Negative will come. Negative will come. You have to fight. You have to do something for that. And your goal, your motive is to maintain the lifestyle healthy. That if you are able to do it, to be happier, you have to do it. You can share. Some do not want to share something, but if you talk with that person, if you clear, then you should be happy from the previous one. Build resilience. Confidence. I am doing it. I am able to do it, and your confidence level will. You are able to confidently that if you are able to manage the stress, if you enjoy humor and enjoy the use humor and enjoy, then ultimately, if you talk and share, then confidence will resilience also should come, and you are able to do it. Last one is the most important was is time management. Each and every moment, human being, those who working in different condition, those in the house, homemaker or others, time management is required. Without time management, it is very difficult to do the work properly. One failure, that failure becomes a problem to you, and also you are unable to keep yourself mentally healthy. If you are able to do it within the time limit, time management, within the time limit, you are able to do it, then you are happy, and that should not create any problem in the near future. So time management is required. Sometimes we are facing problem considering all this, but our duty is to keep ourselves. Our duty is do something for the betterment, and we have to consider the term build resilience. So to be happier, these are the 7 points is more important. Another point is also there, but these 7 points we have to consider. Next one. Stress. This is the most important term, most important factor, not only for these 2 years, previously it was, but now it is more important. Negative emotional experience. Emotion, that is there is no positive. Eustress is there. That next time I am coming that distress and eustress, but general term stress is used. That is the negative emotional experience which creates problem, unhealthy condition, difficult to accept. It is very difficult to accept the negative thing. So stress is an important factor, and it is also the part and parcel of our life. And we have to accept, we have to do something for the betterment. We have to reduce the stress as far as possible, considering all these steps. If required, counseling is required. If medicine is required, then go to doctor and they will give medicine. If analysis is there required, then we have to go psychoanalyst, clinical counselor or anything. But one thing is that stress is an important factor which creates, which are the most important point is negative emotional express create problem, unhealthy condition, and also it is very difficult to accept. Next one, different types of stress. Just now I am telling you. Number two important types. One is distress, another one is eustress. Distress is negative, unpleasant, bad or damaging. It is not accepted by human being. So it is the negative thing, it is unpleasant thing, it is bad, and also it damages. But there are some situations which is positive, satisfying, and good. The term is eustress. You are unable to expect something has done very properly and you are satisfied. And that is the in good. That term we are using, that is the eustress. So don't consider stress as the only one thing, that is the distress. Distress is negative, unpleasant, bad, and damaging, but we have to consider stress, and that is positive, that is the good thing, and you go more than that. And that is the satisfying thing and also a good one. Time ta chatte na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
It's still 4
Okay,
p.m., including
okay,
the interactive session.
okay. Now I'm going to 20 second coping. What is coping? Coping is the process of managing the external and internal demands that are perceived by the individual as taxing or exceeding his or her resources. Coping is the process. This is the process. This is the process of managing the external and internal demands. There are some people, sometimes it is external, sometimes it is internal. Individual. Individual thinks that is a taxing, and I have some resources. It is more than that. How can I control it? This is the that he or she is thinking. It's very difficult to do, but we have to consider all these things, both internal or external demands, the process we want to maintain to solve the problem as far as possible, and to get rid of the problem, considering the tax and also exceeding the research which is creating problem. And that process, coping process is like that. We are able to manage the demands that may be internal. This is the process that may be external or demand. How can you cope it? That is the how coping is. And what are the processes, what ways we have to take, what things we have to consider. Coping helps the individual to maintain positive self-image, to maintain emotional balance, and also to continue satisfying relationship with others. The coping is a process. So self-image, individuals to maintain a positive self-image. I am able to do self-image. Don't consider negatively. To maintain emotional balance, some negative things will come and we have to accept it, and also mental acceptance. Then after that, do something for betterment to get rid of the one. But unfortunate things will come if we consider it negatively, and if we consider it just pass out. No, you have to consider how can I get rid of the problem and what I have to do for betterment. How can I get rid of that problem that is negative to you? But ultimate positive self-image will help. And also the emotional balance. You have to maintain the emotional balance. And also to continue satisfying relationship with others. Individual differences here. Types. In fact, there are so many different types of environment. People belong to different types of environment in each and every moment. So you have to consider all these things. and also to do something to get rid of the problem. And the process which you are taking, that is the coping process, and it helps you and it gives you something positive. Next one. Now I'm coming positive thinking. Positive thinking is the mental and emotional attitude that focuses on the bright side of life and expect positive result. That is the thinking process. Thinking process, which on mental and emotional attitude. This is the bright side of the life that focus highlight what is the highlighted area? Good side, very good, acceptance, and that gives you the positive result. If I think negatively, then it will create some problem and also will go back. But our thinking process is positive, then emotional and mental focus on the bright side. That is the bright side of life, and we are also getting positive result. Now, positive mind. Positive minds wait for happiness, health, and happy ending in any situation. If you're mentally healthy, then if you're also physically healthy. But everything depends on your mind. If something negative will come, you have to accept, you have to do something for betterment, for positive findings. And if your mindset is positive, then that should give you the happiness, healthy, both physical and mental health, and also happy ending in any situation. Ultimately, you will be happy. So we are waiting for that. Last 2 years, that is from, again I am telling, waiting for the betterment. We have to wait. The next one is COVID-19, then after that Omicron and so many things. But look, one thing, some changes are there. Previously, total lockdown. After that part, then again lockdown, then part. Now school, college, and everything. Something is open. Somewhere is they are opening. They are opening, and also few open, few close, and everything is going on. But if our mindset is positive, then we get something betterment and also happy ending in any situation. That's your mindset. That is a positive mind. Will give you something. Next one, where we live, that is the place. Each and everybody is living in a place. Without place, nothing is there. Place is a unit of environmental experience. From the beginning, three highlighted points I have given you, that is environment, health, and well-being. So, place is an important thing. That is a unit of environmental experience. From environment, we are getting lots of experience. From environment, we are getting lots of things. And something is accepted by us, something is rejected by us. Something is partly accepted by us, and something is partly rejected by us. But without place, it is very difficult to live. Place includes physical setting, human attitudes, human socio-psychological processes rooted in the setting. Physical setting is important. Look, one thing, those who belong to slum or pavement, their living space is very slow, very small. But those in a big room, that physical setting, that place, physical setting, it, varies from one set to another set. Human attitude also, if you give the chance to them, they will not accept it. Attitude varies from one individual to another individual. Human socio-cultural process, that also varies. Considering the setting, that also varies from, because society A, B, C, D, if we consider the 5 types, low income, middle income, high income, within high income 3 phase, within middle income 3 phase, within low income 3 phase, well, that is 9 phase. So socioeconomic condition varies from these settings. And also, that is the psychological problem is also varies from, considering the settings. There are different types of problems. There are physical and also psychological things. So setting is a very important thing that includes, that is also within the environmental experience, and place includes the physical setting, human attitude, and human socio-psychological process rooted in the setting. From the setting, it is rooted. Next one. Scenario. What we see, the natural environment can benefit our health and quality of life. Without nature, it is very difficult. While environmental pollution has significant cost, unfortunately, such links among environment, health and well-being are often ignored. There are so many things and so many noise, air pollution is there, and sometimes it is ignored. But one thing, this is the scenario. Natural built-up environment is doing something for their betterment, those who are staying there. But some unfortunate things, sometimes people destroy the natural environment, and ultimately people will suffer from that. So natural environment is the most important thing to get rid of some problem and also to maintain good health and quality of life. On the other hand, environmental pollution also doing something that creates problem, and unfortunately links among environment, health and well-being, sometimes it is ignored by so many individuals. They are doing that. This is the scenario. Now change is there, so we have to accept. For this thing, what we have to do? Four important points to get rid of the problem. What we have to do? To create a good, healthy and congenial environment for human being. Create a good, healthy, don't consider COVID-19. This is for general. This is for each and every moment. Don't consider only this phase, but each and every moment to create a good, healthy and congenial environment for human being. It is required. And we should stretch forward our hands to maintain this. Next one. It should keep in mind that different types of changes would happen in each and every moment, and accordingly, adequate measures should be taken. It should keep in mind, we have to consider it, that changes will happen each and every moment. And we have to take some measure to get rid of the problem. Change part and parcel of it. So changes will happen, and accordingly, adequate measures we have to consider. Health and well-being are the fundamental human rights and worldwide social goals. Considering all the unfortunate things, just now I am telling you, health and well-being are the fundamental human. We have to consider it, and that is also the worldwide social goals. We have to reach the goal to keep ourselves healthy and to maintain well-being. This is what we have to do. Not only this time, but also previously. But this time is that is the most important time. We have to consider all these things. Although somebody is not doing that, there are so many safety measures they are telling, but still now people are not aware. There are so many individuals are not aware about they are doing something. That is a very unfortunate thing. But we have to consider it. So concerted approach is required for betterment. One individual is unable to do it, two individuals is not. This is the concerted approach. From different department, from different sections, from different zone, we have to consider something. That is the concerted approach. Not only one individual, two individual, three individual, four individual. There are so many individuals and so many departments. They also want to do something. That is the concerted approach, which is required for betterment. This is what we have to do. Now, just now I have finished. But one thing is that I am going back from the beginning. From the beginning, I am telling some important. What then? I will give you 10 minutes or till now. What's the time now? 3:45. Okay, you will ask me questions, no problem. Just in summary, which is important, just I am telling you. Each and every slide, I explain something. But one thing is that without considering these three things, it is very difficult to do. So these are the part and parcel of our life. Environment is part and parcel of our life. Health is part and parcel of our life. Well-being is also most important we have to consider. Considering this, first slide is environment. What is environment? I think I have tried my best to do, but one thing is that each and everything is you please go through it later on, and also some questions and clarification is there. Not only my don't consider my class also, and also the consider the other in the Google form. There are so many things. Something is accepted by you or not. That varies from individual to individual, and also from setting to setting. But the important points which I have highlighted, you please consider it. Huh? What is environment? Next one is health. What is health? All these are part and parcel of our life, both physical, mental, and social. We are the social being. So we have to consider physical health, also mental health, and also without mental health, that is not possible to maintain our healthy life, both physically and mentally. Next one is well-being. That is the mental health mind and physical health body. These two are correlated. So well-being is important to health and health is important to well-being. Next one, physical health. What is physical health? Then what are the components of physical health? What are the main? There are so many components, but I have highlighted only 5 components of physical health. Next one is good physical health. These are the factors. These are the main factors. Last one is important. Perform many other normal activities without problem. 1, 2, 3 is common to all, but one thing is that most important point is perform many other normal activities without problem. That is the good physical health. Next one, why physical wellness seems important? Wellness, just 3 important terms I have used: physical health, proper nutrition, and strong mind. Next one, health complications. As I'm telling about physical health, so I should tell something, few important points. What are the complications? This is the most common one. There are so many other factors, but these are the common ones. Next one is chronic physical illness. What is chronic physical illness? Diabetes, asthma, arthritis. And considering all this physical illness, we have to consider develop our anxiety and also depression. That is the related to physical health and mental health. Next one, factors vis-a-vis healthy and unhealthy. What are the important factors which have the good relationship with healthy and unhealthy? There are so many factors. Next one, mental health. Most important term. Generally, people consider physical health, but mental health we have to consider. Nowadays, people are more aware of mental health because this situation creates more problem, and for that reason, mentally healthy, mental health, to keep our mental health good, that is required to us now, and also the adjustment is there. Mental health, important points. Last point is important. Mental health has direct impact on physical health. That is the most important point. World Health Organization gives a definition and also important points are there, and I have mentioned it. What are the factors of mental health? These are the factors. Not only hereditary factors, but also so many important points are there. That is also important for which affect mental health. What we can do for good mental health? This is the most important slide considering the mental health. To build confidence level, compliments, time to give some time for family and friends, support, manage stress. These are the important. Now life. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each and every moment, life circumstance consider includes this. Next one. What are the factors that influence the well-being? These are the factors. So many factors for well-being. Next one, happiness. What is happiness? Positive and pleasant emotion ranging from contentment to intense joy. Next one, how to be happy. There are so many factors which I have mentioned, and all these are important. But one thing is that build resilience and time management. All these, but one thing is that build resilience and also time management, reduce the stress, use human nature. This should we have to consider all this. Next one, stress return is very important, and also the important that there are 2 types of stress, not only distress but also coping. How coping has individuals, that is the external, that is the which is taxing and which is exceed our resources, that is the process, and that also manage internal and external demands. Coping helps the individual to maintain self-image, maintain emotional balance, satisfying relationship with others. Now, considering all these, negative will come, but we have to consider positive. Mathematical calculation, I told you, from negative into positive. That is the positive thinking, positive money, and also where we live, positive thinking and positive mind. Now, yes. Now, place. Each and everybody belong to any type of place. So, physical, human attitude, and socio-cultural process is required to know. Now, scenario. This is the most common thing. Each and every moment this is the common thing we have to know. Next one is what we have to do. That is the important slide. And to maintain healthy relationship, to maintain physically and healthy, we have to do something. Measures should be taken considering the situation, and also health and well-being. That is the human rights and worldwide social goals and concerted approach. That is also required to us. Thank you so much. If you have any question, ask me. Hello? Hello? 10 minutes I am giving. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Lighter দিয়ে দেবো।
Ma'am, am I audible to you?
Yes, yes, audible.
Okay. So the students have already started writing some comments, ma'am. If you give me permission, I can just read the comments and the queries they have to proceed for an interactive session.
Okay.
Just a minute. First of all, let me thank you, ma'am, on behalf of the entire IST fraternity for such a very enlightening speech. It's a very contemporary topic which we have discussed. Mental health is as important as physical health, and more so in this online scenario where maybe the students are not having the chance of directly interacting with the faculty members, interacting with their classmates. You know, the little joys of residing in the hostel rooms and sharing the different matters, academic matters. So it's all the more important to be grounded mentally in this scenario. So thank you once again. Now, with your permission, let me proceed with the
No need for
questions.
thanks. It is my duty to tell something for the students and also to meet you all. Oh, there is no need for thanks. But one thing is that student can easily understand. But slight I have mentioned only highlighted points. There are so many things, but it is
Right.
better like 1 or 2 or 3 points so that they can understand and they can read something in the later on and give something.
Definitely.
Is
Definitely.
it? Is it? That one thing is that. There are so many examples considering the existing situation, but
Right.
these are the common thing, not only for the COVID-19 situation, but also each and
Exactly.
every.
Right. Very, very truly said. The questions are very interesting, ma'am. Let me read it out to you. How to deal with passive aggressive behavior without hurting the other person? How
Passive
to deal with the aggressive behavior? Suppose someone is displaying a kind of an aggressiveness. So, how to point it out to him or her without actually hurting him or her in the face?
yeah, okay. Counseling is an important term to do something. Rapport you have to establish with the client. That is the counselor and counselee. Somebody is very aggressive. Then one thing is that you have to know what are the reasons behind this for aggression. So counseling is required for that, and rapport establishment is a need. After that, if you establish your rapport, if you do some talk with the client, then after it will take time. Just not only switch on, switch off. That is not
Definitely.
possible. So
Definitely.
not switch on, not switch off. Just you have to talk with the person, and undoubtedly if you establish the rapport with the person properly, then he or she will say something considering the aggression. Undoubtedly he will speak out. Then you are able to you are able to measure points. What are the reasons behind this? Then you have to consider 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose there are 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then which point is rank 1? Then considering this, You have to talk with that person. And after that, when you say something, considering the aggression, then he or she will undoubtedly get rid of the problem. But rapport establishment is required, counseling is required, relationship between the counseling and counselor, that is that we have to do, that is not only in the switch on switch off, that you have to give some time for that. You have to give some time for the client. Okay.
Okay. Another question is, let me just summarize it. The question is a bit lengthy. What the student is asking that if we always think positively and then we are expecting some good results, but it might so happen that we have failed. Then that positive thinking results in a kind of a distress. That might also lead to depression. So, is it very advisable or wise to think positively even before the result is announced? So, how should one deal with positive thinking and failure? This is the essence of the question.
Okay. One thing is that negative will come. Negative will come. But we have to accept the negative for that particular time. We have to accept it. Suppose fail result. So we have to accept. Then for that particular time, we have to wait. And accordingly, from family support, from friend support is required.
Right.
Then you have support is required. I'm going to that slide. So it will take time. Just I'm telling you. That is family and makes just a minute, just a minute. That slide is required for that. Build confidence. Just a minute. কোথায় গেল সেটা? This one. What one can do for good mental health? Undoubtedly, he or she is in poor mental health at that time, not only physical but also mental. Now, he or she has to manage the stress for that particular. For fail, there is the fail. Then make time for family and friends. You have to share something with your friends to do something. Friends and family will support you, and also some openings are there. Suppose they have to change the general line from others line, from general science to commerce, commerce to art. They always change. They always change the process. And you have to build the confidence for that time. This time I have failed, but I have to go, I have to do something for betterment. That confidence we have to build up. Undoubtedly, to build up the confidence, support from family members and support from friends is required. After that, I think he or she will do something for betterment. Feel that for that particular time, undoubtedly mental health, physically and mentally, he or she will in a problem. But I think there are so many options to get rid of the problem. He or she can change, or next time appear for the betterment. And if he or she wants to do something to study more, or from teacher support, or from friend support, or from family support, he can do it, or he can do it. That is
Right.
not. Hmm.
Right. And it
That
is truly said,
stress.
ma'am, that failure is a failure
Yeah,
maybe is a better teacher. It's a better we learn from our failures rather than from our success.
yeah. Confidence you have to develop, and manage.
Right.
You have to accept the support from others. No, okay.
So that question has also been asked: how to develop confidence and self-esteem? How to develop confidence?
Yeah, confidence develop. That is, problem will come. Suppose there are five problems you have faced. One problem you are able to solve it properly. Then second problem part. Three problem you are unable to do it. Then next time that positive will give you something for betterment. Suppose you are doing something from 10 words. Just example I have given you in my previous lecture, this lecture. There are 10 points you have to rank 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You are doing that and you are unable to finish 10 within the time limit. You are able to do 6 for rest. Next day, when you start, then another 7 come. Then 7 plus 4, 11. You are able to do 8. Then 3 comes. Then that day from 6, that is 9. So problem will come. Your confidence level, when you are able to do something positively, then your confidence level will increase. Undoubtedly, you are able to do it. Suppose when a child, step by step, with mother, first step fell down, next step, then third step, he or she is able to do it. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 steps, he or she go to the first floor. So how can it be possible? From the childhood, exam, so many exams, so many interview are there, but failure is there. But confidence level, you have to develop within yourself and some support. You are telling, please ask the question again. Please ask the question again.
Another question was how to develop confidence, which,
Yes.
madam, you've already explained. Yes.
That
The
is
next,
that is
yes,
problem will come. Problem will
right.
come. Problem you have to accept,
It's a
and
matter of time. We have to learn it over time.
yes, you have to give some time for that. You have to take support from others. And if you get something positively, then your mindset, I will do it, I should do it. And
Right.
confidence level will increase day by day. Okay.
The next question is overthinking also a health problem that many students have asked in
Yes.
various formats? The essence is they tend to think much. So, is
Yes.
overthinking an issue?
Yes, or sometimes overthinking is an issue. So one thing is that thinking is good, but for a particular problem, if you think more, that will create problem in your mental health and also in the physical health. So you accept another one. You accept to you have to talk with another topic. You have to do something. Sometimes movie, cinema, the negative picture will give you something. So considering the negative
Exactly.
picture, you are thinking about that. So please consider, please delete it. Delete it mental delete. You are unable to do from the Google or anything from your phone, but it is not in your hand. So there are very unfortunate things which is very open to all. But one thing is that you have to consider, I want to leave it. That is your mindset. Your mindset. If you are able to do it properly, then positive thinking should give you something to get rid of the problem. Okay.
True. Another question is I'm again summarizing because a lot of students have put it in a different manner. So, the essence of it is if we try to achieve something, madam, we tend to concentrate on it. Now, that
Mm.
concentration can also induce some stress, but that is a positive stress. So, is positive stress also unhealthy? Is it also not advisable? Like how to concentrate but not take so much of stress that it will start affecting our health?
Just I'm going to that. এগুলো এটা কি হয়ে গেল দেখ দেখ এটা ঠিক করতো স্লাইডটা সরাবো লাইটটা সরাবো জাস্ট এ মিনিট প্লিজ ওয়েট
Sure,
না
ma'am.
প্লিজ ওয়েট দাঁড়া এটা থেকে স্লাইডটা খালি স্প্রেসেরটা যায় স্প্রেস একদম শেষের দিকে স্প্রেসটা কোথায় না ইউজ স্প্রেস
Stress, an important factor.
There are different two types of stress. One is distress, negative, unpleasant, bad, damaging. You have to considering this, you have to talk with the doctors if it is required, general physician, or if it is more than that, then you have to talk with psychiatry. Then after that, counseling is required. That is the very in a difficult situation. But there are something that is the eustress, that is the positive, satisfying, and good. Please ask your question again. Please ask the
So,
question again.
can positive stress affect the health? Apparently, no. Eustress cannot affect the health, ma'am. From your lecture, what we have
Eustress,
understood.
positive, satisfying, and good. That mentally you are healthy. Physically you are
Right.
also healthy. Mentally you are
Right.
healthy. There are some positive things. Sometimes if somebody is doing that, they are going to hotel, take some food. That is for that particular time they are enjoying. If they are enjoying, their mental health is good and also physical health is good. That is not the.
And any example of eustress, madam? Students are asking. Just
Yes,
any example of
yes.
eustress?
sudden, what is doing, not expecting anything, sudden he or she is getting a job which is which is thinks that it is better and I will go not in the country but outside, or not within Calcutta, I'm going to Delhi or going to Bangalore. He or she is getting that chance, waiting for the chance, and after that sudden result has come, but within 7 days he or she have to join there. Then he or she is doing lots of things very hurriedly, very idly, going here and there, purchasing things, talking with friends and family members, and doing something. That work is mainly people are able to do it for 15 days, but within 3 days, he is able to do it. That is the use stress, is
Right.
the positive thinking, positive mind, and satisfying for satisfaction for good. He or
Right.
she is able to do it within 3 days. That work, in general time, he or she is doing 15 days, taking time for 15 days. But for that issue, particular issue, for use stress, within 3 days, he is able to finish it. Okay.
Right. And the next question is, and there are two questions, ma'am. I'll just merge them because
I'll
these are
just
a bit related. Yes.
okay.
There are two sets of questions, but somehow by reading them, I thought they are related. So let me merge the two questions and ask you. There are two types of people around us. One is the introvert category, and other is the extrovert category. So the first question is being introvert a kind of a like a setback? Second is, if some people are introvert, that is, they are not very open to us about their mental health problems, then what should we do to those people who are not willing to tell us those situations?
Okay. We have to find out his or her close friends. His or her close friends, maybe family members, maybe friend, maybe or other person, not known to family members. He or she can share with. If he shares with that, considering the problem, he will overcome. But if it is not possible and creating lots of problem within herself or himself, then talk with the doctor, talk with the psychologist, talk with the psychiatrist. If medicine is required, that is required. Sometimes medicine is not required. Plain and simple counseling is required. Plain and
Right,
simple counseling. So
right,
go to counsel. And one thing is that profession is an important thing. Na? Those who
right,
are doctors have different dental, orthopedic, surgeon from different categories. So accordingly, counselor are able to do it considering his or her problem. That is clinical counselor, or there are so many social side. There are those who are doing with social problem, mainly based on social problem. They are also doing it. They are also counselor. So considering the problem, you have to select that. You have to select that which counselor, where I will go, because there are some setting at this present moment, counseling is going on, and also in different places, they are not only psychologists but also other worker also doing that, considering the problem. If it is required testing, psychological testing, that is psychometric test, testing is there, that is Rorschach test, and so many tests are there. Then your personality, considering the personality for saying the findings of the study, they will counsel. It
right.
varies from situation to situation, it varies from individual to individual. It is not physical measurement. Physical measurement is fixed. That is a scale. But psychological measurement is not fixed at all. 12 inches scale, that is 12 inches. But for psychological measurement, there are different types. So you have to consider accordingly.
Okay.
Now,
The last few questions, madam, just a couple of questions more. How to get rid of some bad kind of addiction or OCD, something like this. It may be
obsessive
an
compulsive
OCD.
disorder.
It
Obsessive
can
compulsive.
be exactly, or it can be a certain bad addiction. How to get rid of those and
Look,
grow mentally strong.
there are some friends, those who encourage for addiction. There are some friends. And you have to find out. Family members, friends, they will help. If it is not solve the problem. If they are not, if they are unable to solve the problem, you have to consult the psychologist again, and also to
Right.
get rid of obsessive compulsive disorder. Psychologists are able to do it, but one thing is that that habit, they are sometimes they are able to control within himself with the help of friends, with the help of family members. If there is a if they do it very formal way, sometimes it will create problem. Consider the case formal as well as informal in some situation. Psychologist or social worker or those who are doing in different handling different types of problems, they are able to give you suggestions. They are able to do it, and that is the relationship between the two person. One thing is that in the environmental psychology, people think things. The relationship is considering the three people relation, people things things. So if we consider all these things, so we are able to solve the problem. Okay.
Right. The next is, ma'am, is there such a thing called telepathy? We read about it. It's a kind of a perception. But, ma'am, what is your views on that? Do you believe in telepathy? Can telepathy help people out in certain situations?
Sometimes people consider this, but sometimes actually it is not very clear because there are so many direct contact and telepathy. It differs from one to another. So if it is possible direct contact, then that will be better. It will take time, and but one thing, telepathy happens and some good result also findings, and sometimes it is not because accepted by when mind setup is the mind setup differs from one individual to another individual. Sometimes they accept it properly, sometimes they are not accepted. They want to share, and what happened, they write something. If they write some problem, if they write something, that will a good thing, and then after that they will destroy it. Writing a process, just want to say something, not vocal but also written, and he or she is able to reduce the problem accordingly,
Right.
get rid of the problem, to write
Right.
something,
Right.
and destroy it. Nobody will see it.
And then some students are asking questions about dreams. Like one student is telling that he dreams, and in between a dream also he's having like the
Dream
distinction between a dream and a reality. So is it a
has,
kind of mental problem to dream continuously something to mess it
but
up with
what
the real life?
Actually, there are so many specialization. I am not any for dream. I have no study at all. So it is
Okay.
very difficult to it
Right.
is very difficult to speak. But one thing is that if dream is creating problem and you are facing the problem and also changing your lifestyle, then you have to consider doctor.
Right.
If it is okay, if you are in normal life, you are maintaining normal life, sometimes dream does create any problem. That is okay. Dream, then normal life is maintaining by the student or any other person, then it is okay. But if it creates problem, and if it's to maintain the proper daily life, then you have to consult doctor. Hmm.
Right. And the last question that we would like to put forward is, ma'am, the students are writing that they have learned about three basic human attitudes, or they have encountered three basic human attitudes, which is either fight or flight or freeze. So, how to decide which one to go for?
Flight,
Fight,
yeah,
flight, freeze.
I understand. But one thing is that we have to consider the overall situation. Considering the situation, sometimes you have to fight. That is the that is you have to consider
Right.
it properly and do something for the betterment. Sometimes you have to accept the negative and also how to go your positive thing that you have to do. And sometimes you have to reject it. Rejection. So in mathematics, plus minus multiplication division is there. So in your life, each and everything, positive and negative, both we have to consider. Positive, negative, multiplication and division. all these you have to consider, and accordingly, you have to take decisions considering the overall picture of the environment, that is considering the family setting and any type of setting. So, please consider mathematics and also the psyche. Plus is there, minus is there, multiplication is there, division is there. Considering
Yeah.
all these, you have to consider it psychologically, because everything is accepted by human being, that is not possible. So accordingly, you take your decision. If you think I am able to solve the problem, then it's okay. If you are unable to, you can share with your parents, or you can share with your friends, or you can talk with others, and you can talk with doctors and so on. Individuals
Right.
we can.
So,
Okay.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you. That was a lot of question answer session that we had. Despite your busy schedule, ma'am, we know how busy you are. You have a lot
No,
of
no problem, no problem. But I have
pieces.
to go out. One thing is that each and today I'm coming also from my home. I'm doing something, but when I go my home, I should take bath. Otherwise, now it is winter season. No? So for that reason, don't worry. Don't worry. I will go back. Okay.
So, we once again acknowledge you, ma'am, from the entire IST fraternity
For that,
for responding at such a
it is
short
for
notice.
the student.
Huh.
It is
And
for the
we
student.
we do hope that, ma'am, we have the opportunity of interacting in person post this COVID situation. Once
Yeah,
we can
yeah.
overcome the COVID situation, please
Okay.
give us the opportunity of welcoming you physically to this beautiful campus and interacting in person. Thank you so much.
That will be better for me. In offline,
Yes,
I am, although I
that
am
will
not
be
clinical
better for
psychologist,
everyone. Exactly.
I am not clinical
Exactly.
psychologist. Clinical part I am unable to say, but one thing is the
Yeah.
general and
Right.
counseling, also the general situation considering the society, family, and all these things. I am able
Right.
to with you all. But one thing is that offline is better than online. This is my perception.
So the
Okay.
perception of all. Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. We
Thank you.
take leave from you now.
It's for my students and regards to seniors and best wishes to juniors. Okay.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And so, dear students, the afternoon session is now over. I just have a very small announcement for you. The session tomorrow, that is Saturday, 18th of December, will commence with Mr. Ravi Raj Singh from 11 a.m. onwards. And the second half has been reserved exclusively for the institute level cultural program that will commence from